Si Arnel, ang primary operator dito sa Fisher Mall. Ito ang aming machine, ang XP600. Aming printer head. Aming capping. Head clean. Wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean. Nozzle check. Alam. PBR. Ground wire, waste tank, at ABR plug. Aming use supply at in-use supply. Ang aming workload. Ang aming daily checklist at ang aming weekly checklist. Consumable, yellow, cyan, black, magenta, at white.